Hi, lovely people. Welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Confidence. In most cases, a lot of people have given out their idea or sell out their idea unknowingly to investors through providing of business plan or in the name of getting funds from those investors. And it turned out that the investor do not come back to them, but rather take up the business idea and pursue the business by him or herself. In this episode, we are going to discuss when is it appropriate and how you need to safeguard your business idea in order not to be stolen from you. So stay tuned as we journey on how to safeguard your business idea. In last episode, we talked about business proposal and business plan. Now, how does one need to, or when is it appropriate for one to give out a business plan to a business investor? As I said, a business plan is a whole document that contains every aspect, every detail of your business. So now in preparation of business plan, there is a column where we have confidentiality agreement. In that confidentiality agreement, it is always stated with a clause or a claim that there is no under any circumstance will this plan be given to any third party or be given to anybody without the permission of the owner. Now, the business plan is an intellectual property of the person who prepared it. So what happens is that first and foremost, an individual meeting up with a business investor, you need to send a business proposal. So when you send a business proposal, that document is going to invite the investor to go through some aspect of your business ideas. So he or she is going to go through all those, get involved, and now let you know that, okay, per the proposal that I have, I think this is a good business for which I'm prepared to have a business with you. So what you need to do is that you look for some other person as a witness who is going to journey with you to a business investor. When you get there, you need to send along 3 copies of business plan. So when you get there, you are going to sign all the 3, while the investor also sign all the 3. Then the witness, who is a neutral person, also sign all the 3. So with that idea, one will be given to you, the other to the witness, and the third to the business investor. In this clause, the business investor don't have any right to show that to any other third party, since the other party is not involved in what the discussion. Now what happens is that everyone have the right, like the person whose business plan it is, whose property is the business plan, have the right to sue anybody who takes or get hold of what his business plan and pursue the same business, because the original copy is with the owner. What must be given out to business investors and the third parties are the soft copy of the signed document. What happens is that at every point in time, a business investor cannot get hold of what your business plan, or can never discuss your business plan with any third party without your knowledge. So which means that as soon as your business plan has been given to an investor, it means he is also bringing in an exchange of what he promised, either by way of fund, capital, or any other resources that he promised of giving you. So with that one, you start pursuing the business, or you continue with the business that you have. This is very interesting. This allows people not to sell out their ideas without getting anything, or sometimes sell out their ideas unknowingly, just to realize that the next somebody is pursuing their own ideas that they have sell out to other people in the form of inviting them as business partners or business investors. Join me as we continue to discuss about documentation and making your business investment ready. Do not forget to subscribe as always. Share with friends so that they can also be knowledgeable in the field of business operation. I entreat each and everyone to always be with us. Make known of any corrections, suggestions so that we can better bring more episodes that will be befitting to us. Journey with us so that we can make it memorable. Bye bye.